Good morning, everyone. Today, I hope you all are safe and utilizing quarantine in a productive way. This is Priyanka Maurya going to teach social study third standard. And our today's topic is the life of early man. As you all have studied about early man in the previous class, as we are going to study about their struggling life, discovery, and many more things about them. In this video, I hope you all will enjoy. Early man and his life. Early man, the ancestor or the great grandfathers or the people who were living on the earth thousands and thousands years ago. They are known as early men. Let's see the life of early man. Early man used to live in jungles. You can even see in the picture. Along with the dangerous wild animal, he was afraid of big and fierce animals and lived harsh life. He ate fruits, roots of plants and moved from one place to another in search of food. He killed animals to eat. He ate raw flesh and as you can see in the slide. He used stones to kill animals and also learned tools with the help of stone and bones. He used these tools to kill animals and digging out the roots of plants. These tools were sharp edged. Spear, can you see in the picture? Spear was one of the tools used by early men. Early man has no clothes to wear. They used to cover their body by the leaves, barks of trees and animal skins. Now let's see the life of early man but after the discovery of fire. Before we proceed ahead, you all just imagine what is the use of fire. Use of fire begin as we awake. Do you take breakfast without cooked? No, it always remains cooked. But the fire is used not only for cooking but making roads, melting down the metals, lighting the earth, protecting yourself from cold, many more things. Now you all just imagine life without fire. Now let's see how the fire was discovered. Early men used tools to hunt animals before the discovery of fire. Early man ate raw food, raw meat, as you have seen in the previous slide. After a long time, early men began to use stones tools. He discovered fire. He must have seen the fire breaking out in the jungle. Initially, he was afraid of fire, but very soon he realized that the fire kept away the wild animals and saved him in cold weather. Later, by rubbing together pieces of fence, early man could produce sparks. These sparks would set fire to dry leaves. Then he found meat cooked over the fire tasty, and this led him to start cooking. He learned to preserve meat by smoking it over the fire. He also used fire to make better pottery, bricks. After the discovery of fire, it becomes the center of the daily life of early man. He used it to protect him from wild animals and to warm himself. He also became active by the use of fire as a source of light during the night time. Now let's see the agriculture. Children, due to lockdown, you people must not be able to visit villages. But when you visit there, what do you see? Most of the people living in the villages depend on the farming. What do? They plough the fields, cultivate grains and completely depend on agriculture. But do you know how does this farming started? As we have studied, early man used to move from one place to another in search of food. But when early man eat fruits, he threw the seeds here and there. He found that over a long period of time, these seeds grown into new plants. It inspired him to become a farmer. Later, he learned to plow the land and he learned to cultivate grains such as rice, wheat, barley, etc. Now he began to keep animals like cattle, goat, sheep. Dog was the first domesticated animal. He used the animal to plow the land. Then he did not have to roam in search of food. Agriculture and domestication of animal brought a great change in the life of early man. He chose to live near river valleys as water was available in large quantities and soil was fertile to grow crops. He made tents like huts to live. He caught fish from the river boat. He enjoyed the settled life. Here is the next topic, discovery of wheel. Children, can you see the different pictures of wheel? Most of the things which are round is a wheel. For example, steering of a car, watches, CD, tire, spinning chakra, all these are nothing but a wheel. How was it discovered? Ever thought of it? It is believed that one day early men saw a round log of wood rolling down the slope. He got very interested as to how a log of wood rolling. Very soon he took a round log of wood and made round pieces of tree trunk, which could easily move even on rough land. He used them to make a cart. Initially, he pulled the cart. Later he used animals to pull it. It helped him to travel and carry heavy loads from one place to another. He also used wheels for making pots, spinning chakra, and many more. So, the discovery of wheel helped not only the early man but for the whole world to become a developed country. You can see even in the picture different phases of wheel. Let's see the discovery of metals. Before we know about the discovery of metal, just look around in your room. Which is the hardest material you can see in your room? Window grill, handle of the door. Look at the roof. You can see the fan. Lock of your door. All these things are nothing but the kind of metal. But what do you mean by metal? A metal is a material that is usually hard and shiny, and electricity can travel through most of the metal. Most of the metal we find inside the earth crust. After the discovery of tools, fires and wheels, early man started living a settled life. He got free time to enjoy his life. He sang, he danced. In the course of time, he do different invention with the help of fire. Eventually, he got metal by heating various harsh stones. Copper was the first metal used by early men. Can you see the picture of copper in the slide? He used copper to make tools and different ornaments. After it, he learned to add to tin to copper, which is known as bronze. Bronze tools such as knives, swords, etc. were made. Then iron was discovered and weapons were made of iron. Can you see the different weapons? The discovery of metals brought about a great change in the life of early men. Men used iron tools for clearing jungles, for farming, and various uses. all these discovery, early men started to live a comfortable life. This further gave rise to various development stages. Villages and cities grew up, great work of art and craft develops. So, I hope you all have got sufficient knowledge. That's all for today, and hope you have understood the concept of discovery of metal, wheel, lifestyles of early men. Now that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.